You upload a long document, and within seconds, AI highlights the important points, explains confusing sections, and even answers your questions about it. Sounds like a personal research assistant, right? Today, I'll show you exactly how to use Perplexity AI to review your documents like a pro. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you read PDFs, reports, research papers, contracts, or study notes, this tutorial will save you a lot of time. First, open the Perplexity AI website and click Sign Up or Log In. You can create a free account using your Google account, Apple ID, or email address. After logging in, you'll reach the main dashboard where you can start asking questions and uploading files. Now click the attachment or upload icon and select the document you want to review. Perplexity supports popular formats like PDF and text documents. Once the upload is complete, the AI reads your file and prepares it for analysis. Here's where the real magic begins. Instead of reading every page yourself, ask specific questions like, summarize this document. What are the key findings? Explain this section in simple English. Or list the most important action items. The more specific your question is, the better the response will be. Perplexity doesn't just summarize your document. It can explain difficult concepts, compare different sections, identify important facts, and even answer follow-up questions based on the same file. This makes it incredibly useful for students, researchers, professionals, and content creators. If you're reviewing a long report, ask the AI to create bullet point summaries. For study materials, request practice questions or simplified explanations. And if you're checking a business document, ask it to highlight risks, deadlines, or important decisions. One quick tip: always review the AI's answers before using them in important work. Perplexity is highly capable, but it's still a good idea to verify critical information. And that's it. You now know how to use Perplexity AI to review your documents faster and more efficiently. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments what AI tool you'd like to learn next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.